Class 2 English 1. Okay, this is for revision. Okay, this we are doing for what? Our revision. Okay. Alice in one. This is for XA1. Alice in Wonderland. One day, Alice wandered into the forest and entered a cave. Alice, this is the name of a girl. He entered a cave. A piece of chocolate cake was kept on the on a table by the doorway. A piece of chocolate cake was kept on the doorway. Next to the cake was a note, "Eat me." "I am hungry," Alice said, eating the cake. Suddenly, Alice ate the cake. She started becoming small and small. After eating the cake, she started becoming small and small. "Oh no, I feel strange. I will never get back to the right size." Alice has become small after eating the cake. Alice cried. She went looking up for help. Soon she saw a big mushroom. On it was sitting a green caterpillar was sitting on the mushroom. Dressed in pink jacket. He was smoking a good double pipe. He was smoking. "One side of the mushroom will make you big and the other side will make you small," he said to Alice before crawling away. Caterpillar before crawling away said, "One side will make you small, one side will make you big." "One side of what?" then he said. Alice called after him. "The mushroom, silly," he answered. Alice ate a piece of mushroom. "Thank God, bigger," she cried. "But which way do I go? Are you happy now?" Now Alice ate a piece of mushroom and thank God, bigger. Now he is growing bigger. Now say it. "Are you happy now?" said the caterpillar. Now the caterpillar said, "Are you happy now?" Now see. Well, I should like to be little more bigger, sir, if you don't mind," said Alice. 3 inch is such a wretched, means a bad height, to be. It is very good to height indeed," said the caterpillar angrily. Rearing itself upward, spoke. "It is exactly 3 inch high." In a minute or two, caterpillar took the hookah. Caterpillar is taking hookah out of his mouth. Now. And yawned once or twice and shocked it. Then it got down off the mushroom and crawled away into the grass, merely remarking as it went, "One side will make you grow taller and the other side will make you," again he is telling, "will make you shorter." "One side of what?" "The other side of what?" said Alice to herself. "Of the mushroom," said the caterpillar, just as if she asked it aloud. And in another moment it was out of the side and the caterpillar went off. Alice remained looking thoughtful at the mushroom for a minute, trying to make out which must be the two sides of it, as the mushroom was perfectly round. Alice couldn't understand which side to it, which side will make you tall, which side will make me small, because the mushroom was totally round in shape. She found this a very difficult question. It's a very difficult question. At last she stretched her arms around the mushroom and as far as they would go, and broke off a bit of the edge of a side of with each hand. Each hand he broke side of it. "And now which is which?" Now he is telling which will be which. Now he is asking which will be shorter, which will be taller. She said to herself, and nibbled a little of the right hand. Then she said to herself, then he ate a little bit, nibbled a little bit of the right hand to try the effect, to see what will happen. So soon he started growing taller and taller, and the mushroom was beneath her feet. And the mushroom, then he started becoming taller like normal size, and the mushroom was down below his feet. So this is the story. Now this is the match the following. You will do match the following. This will be your homework. Match the following you will do by yourself. This will be your homework. And this one also will be your homework. Tick the correct answer. Question answers I will give you. This much. Question answers I will give you. This one will be homework. Question answers I will give you, and match the following. Match the following with the word meanings are there. You have to match it. See, note I am telling. Note will be a small writing on a paper. Crawling, moving forward and backward with hand. Moving forward with hand and leg. Wretched means sick or unhappy. Yawn means to breathe in deeply. Nibble means to take small bite, and edge means surface or an area. Do this one. This is revision of essay 1. For today, this much. Thank you.